Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically get the super cute decorative green text, green Merry Christmas text on TikTok. It's actually super simple to get. You are just going to obviously open the TikTok app, but before we start, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you won't miss a video from us. Anyways, go and open TikTok, and you are going to go to any video there is. It doesn't matter what video it is. You are going to open up the comment section, which is here under the like button. You are just going to type in Merry Christmas. You're just going to simply type Merry Christmas, and you don't need to add anything else. You're just going to press send, and voila, you have this super cute Merry Christmas green decorative text with stars with Christmas lights. So pretty. Hopefully they continue this comment section kind of trend on TikTok with other holidays as well, maybe like New Year's, Ramadan too, maybe Easter, Thanksgiving, etc., etc. And yeah, again, just type in Merry Christmas. I'm actually going to try to type it with capital letters at the beginning. Let's see if that makes a difference. Well, actually, it also works too, so you can either type it like the one on top or the one at the bottom with no caps lock at the beginning or without. And you get these two kind of like comments. It's still just going to be displayed the same, and it only works if you type that in. I think you can also type like a message next to it or before it. Hello. I'm just trying here. Okay, it still works if you type like a message before or after. I'm just going to delete these comments because I don't want to spam this person's comment section. Sorry about that. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can get this decorative Merry Christmas kind of like font on the comment section of TikTok. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification on our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Oh, and also let me know in the comment section down below if this worked out for you, or if it didn't work out for you, I suggest you to update your app. Okay, that is it. Thank you. Bye.